In this video, I will instruct you about the danger of launch greatly free freeware.com pop-up windows. Such pop-ups primarily, only attack Mac computers and their respective browsers. For instance, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari, of course. These pop-ups claim that your Flash player might be out of date. However, all such statements delivered by this website are totally faulty. The reason why these pop-ups come up is because your computer could be infected by some adware type application. Now, you need to carefully examine your available applications in your Mac, and if you identify some suspicious programs in this list, make sure you right-click on them and move them to the trash. Now, the problem with many adware type apps is that often it's hard to establish their presence visually. Make sure that your computer is free of any malware or adware type programs. I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start the software through your Launchpad. The program initially will update its antivirus database, which is crucially important for proper malware detection, and then you may click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed research of your Mac. So the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac has been ended, and now it's time to review the results. Check the antivirus area and click on the Review Results link. The report will display each thread and will also show its location. So you may click on this icon to show the location of the thread in Finder, and then you may right-click on each specific thread and decide to move it to the trash. So you may do it with each specific thread manually by right-clicking on the thread and moving it to the trash. Or you may do it automatically, however, only with the premium version of the program.